Now here it is, Daniel Latias's bright orange 47 to 54 chassis. It is literally all based off of that caliper color right there. 14-inch rotors front and back. This has our custom IFS, which has our custom spindle there and our custom bolt-on steering arm. You can see the Ackerman angle on that one, very aggressive. Bump steer minimal, based on a Ridetech coilover, and our eccentric adjuster there. That's how we do caster and camber. So this guy here slides fore and aft for caster, and then you can see that that hole is offset to the center, so as you rotate this, it'll change camber. Power rack and pinion option on this one, of course. And that gorgeous LT4 from GM Performance with an 8L90 behind it. This is their 640 horsepower package. These typically run about 9-10 pounds of boost. So it's really easy to turn them up and make a lot more power. Each one is signed. So thank you, Caleb, for building such an awesome engine. So this is the full chassis, 8-inch tall rails with our 12-piece center section. This particular chassis is not going to have our pedal assembly in it. He's going to do a hanging pedal inside the cab, so all we did was just plumb the prop valve, pressure sensor, and then just left them bulkheads here from to run it inside the cab. But on the rear, he optioned our torque arm. You can kind of see it going down the middle there. This is what makes the torque arm special here. So this guy not only telescopes but also articulates. You can see the ultra long link bars here. So roll steers minimal. Really long panhard bar. So lateral movement also minimal. Get you an idea there. Literally the whole width of the chassis there. Curry 9-inch fabricated housing with a 350 True Track gear in it. You know, those monster aero calipers on here, 14-inch rotors, and a little something special here too. Apicella Designs gas tank, designed specifically for these 47 to 54 chassis. But as good as this looks, I can't wait to see it completed with the truck ready to rock, burn some tires.